Blogs are a great way to grow your website and are helpful with search engine optimization. The more content your website contains, the greater the chance the website has to be found on search engines. Blog posts can be organized and sorted into categories, which make it easy for the website user to navigate the blog posts according to the category they are placed in. To create a new category for your blog post, click on Settings. In the Edit Post window, under Categories, click on the plus icon and type in a name for the new blog post category. Then click on the plus icon. The blog post will now be added to the blog category. In this window, you will also be able to add a URL address for the blog post. Add the blog author's name and add a date to the blog post. Once you have created the post and added it to a category, click on the Update button. The new blog post will be added to the blog list page. Go to the live version of the blog to view the new blog post.